Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create your custom clothing for your avatar. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will go to create once you've logged into your Roblox. And by the way, you have to make sure that you have a premium so that you will be able to actually do this. And once you're here, you will go to your um, creations, which is right here, and then just wait for it to load. So once you're here, you will just have to click avatar items, which is right here. And now that you're here, you will click clothing and just choose what clothing type you would want to upload your clothing to. It could be jackets, pants, shirts, and all this stuff. So for example, I would want to upload a shirt. And what you will do is you will just have to choose shirt to upload your design image here. And by the way, you must follow the Roblox template so they have it on they have it there. So basically, once you upload your design image, you will just have to add a name and description for your clothing, and then you will just have to upload it and wait for Roblox approval. And once it's approved, you will just have to wait for the clothing to appear in your inventory to wear or sell it. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.